हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम यूनिट 1 का टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं, सोशल मीडिया इंटेलिजेंस एंड लिसनिंग। सोशल मीडिया इंटेलिजेंस and listening, it gives more control to user over the internet. So social media is an easy to use internet based platform that provides user with the opportunity to create and exchange content such as text, video, audio, graphics, and many to many context. In social media, that is web 2.0, we have already discussed that it is a many to many network. So many to many network also means that we are having the user generated content. User generated content means the user can also contribute to the content. We can take many examples like our Google Maps. If we are specifying the name of our building, then it will be displayed on the Google Maps. So user is contributing to the information. So social media 2.0 is only realized with the development of web. So we are having so many well-known platforms like our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, blogs. Social media is an online platform which is proprietary or purpose-built, but it enables to participate, collaborate, create, and share content in a many-to-many fashion. Like many people are connected to many other people, so every user can contribute to the information. That is why we say it is a many-to-many context, not like our earlier web 1.0 where it is a one-to-many. So in a one-to-many, the data is stored on the server and client are accessing the data from the server. But if it is a two-way communication, that means we can also contribute to the data that is present on the server, and we can have contributions for different servers. So it will become many-to-many relationship. Then comes the core characteristics of social media. First is the many-to-many relationships. So social media enables interaction among many users in a many-to-many fashion. That means many users can interact with each other. So it's not like our conventional technologies where we are only receiving the data. So if our print media, or we see the radio, telephone and television, so they are broadcasting. Broadcasting means from the radio station we are getting the music, songs, talk, podcast, everything on our radio, but we are not able to send any message through the radio. Same is telephone or television or any other print media. It's a one-way communication, but the two-way communication is possible on the social media. Then social media is participatory. So it's not like our conventional technologies. Social media encourages participation and feedback from the user. So user can participate in online discussions through blogging, comment, tagging, and sharing of content. Then social media is user owned. User owned means the social media platforms are providing corporations such as Google and Facebook. The content is generated, owned, and controlled by the social media users. Without user generated content, the social media will not be useful for everyone because it will be boring and it will be empty most of the time. So when it is allowed to contribute to the content, then only it is becoming more useful. Social media is conversational. That is, it is not only the ease of conversation, but also the many-to-many conversation capabilities that make the social media stand out from the traditional one-to-one or one-to-many medium of interaction. It is a two-way communication where we can listen to the conversation and even we can contribute to the conversation. That is why it's a many-to-many conversation, and these characteristics of the social media make it possible for masses to communicate and collaborate in real time. Then Social media enables openness. That means it provides new opportunities to access data and information through the Web 2.0 channel. So social media enables mass collaboration. It allows masses to collaborate in a many-to-many fashion to achieve certain shared goals. Like if there is some kind of conversation, so many people can show their likes or dislikes. So in this way, they collaborate on certain content. Then social media is relationship oriented. That means most social media tools allow users to easily establish and maintain social and professional relationships and ties. Some social media tools such as Facebook are solely focused on personal relationship, where other users, other platforms such as Twitters, they are based on professional relationships. So we have even our Instagram, where we can actually get connected to our friends as well as our families, whereas LinkedIn is a professional network. So social media is free and easy to use. That means very easily a user can learn and understand how to use the social media, and it's free on internet. So that is also the reason why social media is gaining a lot of importance these days. So in our next video, we are going to learn social media monitoring metrics. Thank you.